What's up, random fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is an exciting day because it is my niece's 10th birthday. So we are getting ready to head over there and give her our gifts and see her happy, smiling, cheerful, all types of stuff. So yeah, can't wait to see that. And then today's Monday. I don't know what else we have in store, but stick around, stay tuned, like, subscribe. You guys need to start subscribing. I see a lot of unsubscribers watching my video but not subscribing. Why? We gotta fix that. All right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay!
I've never been with that type of camera before.
Did it scare you? How do you feel?
I thought it was a picture.
How old are you?
I'm 10.
Yeah, you nervous?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, open your gift.
Okay.
I didn't have tissue paper.
You know I always overdo it on the tissue paper.
Wow.
Yes.
10.
You can draw.
I can draw and I can write.
Mm-hmm.
I can make more stories.
They have shoes. Oh, those are cute.
You like it?
Yeah.
I hope
I like it.
I hope they fit.
Are these hearing aids?
Oh.
What the
I'm 31 weeks pregnant. Found out that baby boy is 4 pounds. So as soon as I got home, I told the family we have to pack. We have to pack now because this baby can come any day. So that's what we did, and that video will be up later of what's in my baby bag and mommy bag. And we could do a daddy one too. And then right now, we're gonna put this car seat in the car just so we have it ready for baby. It's been 13 years, so it's like we gotta train ourselves all over again. But we're gonna get it. We're smart people. We got it. Get my house shoes on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I think the seat belt goes under the car seat, and then the baby just, so we have to take this out.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see how, yeah, let's figure this out. You excited?
Yes.
I was about to say, did we leave the keys? No.
All right, so rear of vehicle. So we gotta put it, yeah, we gotta face it this way, right?
Yeah. Yep. So the baby's head can be on the seat.
That. And it says it comes through here. That's it. That's not bad.
And the seatbelt goes in there. Yeah. Like the weight of the car seat should be good.
Yeah, plus it's gonna be up against here too a little
Yeah.
bit.
Mm-hmm.
This guy.
Almost done. I just fell right in there.
Did it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, it is. Ooh,
When
sunbathe.
did the sun come out?
This morning? Where were you?
Oh, like, it was just hidden.
Is there enough space up there?
Yes.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
Baby got a lot of space back
Is it
here.
like this is for when
Move it back just a little bit more. It's barely touching.
A little bit more.
Yeah. There we go. That's perfect.
Good.
is this for like when he's a baby and then when he's like bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool.
Keeps his head secure because daddy's driving is reckless.
I like how they have it when you get bigger.
Mm-hmm. This was separate from the car seat. So we got this on Amazon. It came with the car seat. It's in there. All right. We done.